Hey, it's been a heavy few weeks, so I felt like we needed something light and we needed something fun, like the new FabFitFun box. She is a big lady. FabFitFun were kind enough to send me their Winter 2020 box, which if you're not familiar with them, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. They include full-size fashion, style, beauty, self-care, fitness products. You get to choose what goes in your box. What I love about them is that it feels like a curated box that you get for every season of the year. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is by singing loud for all to hear. I know I said it's not Christmas yet, but we are gonna get there and we're gonna go through this box. What are you doing? What have you been doing? This blanket is so soft. What's cool about this brand on Hide is that it's got that fresh sheet feel. The blanket in this box is good size. It's relatively lightweight. It's like rubbing my body on a cloud. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. It's a combination mechanical and chemical exfoliant, which means that it not only has little crystals that you can feel as you rub it into your skin, but it's also got salicylic acid as a chemical exfoliant. It's kind of 2-in-1, more bang for your buck. We're gonna try it out and see how it feels. First impressions, I like this. I feel like the little crystals and salicylic acid definitely took off that top layer of just kind of dirt and grime and dead skin cells. I feel rejuvenated. My skin feels fantastic. I'm very excited to try these Botanique Beauty Revitalizing Eye Gels. They are designed to brighten, hydrate, depuff, and they are ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, pre-party prep. We know I'm not doing those last two, but I'm hoping they help with the first one. I'm supposed to leave these on for 5 minutes at least, so I think that was 5 minutes. I do feel like that made a difference. My under eyes are definitely not as puffy, and I know they still look purple. That's just my skin tone, but this is a lighter purple, all right? I think they may have done their job. So if you'd like to get a FabFitFun box for yourself, as a reminder, everything in there is full size. You can completely customize it. There's even more products available than just what I shared today. These are just the ones that I picked. So I highly encourage you to go check that out. I have got a code for you that's gonna save you money. I know it's been a tough year to make time for yourself. I think this is a really nice way to treat yourself. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.